So I want to impress you on some hideaway I found in Malindi. The beach is out there, quite some distance, and almost brownish, because that's where the river that we usually call Tana River joins the ocean. But so we have apartments, and then we have the beach hotel. So the beach hotel is just next to what you've just seen, with a very nice picture place, basically. So just let's take this one. Yeah, so you take a first look at Ocean Beach, is it? It's a nice hotel with what you would call cottages all around the place, and some nice what you're looking at there is a reception. Yeah, but what I wanted to impress you about today is not even the hotel. Right at the end of this street, you'll find there apartments that you can rent. It's quite a manageable amount, actually. So the gate is just out there. I'll get you there in a second. Yeah, so now we are approaching the gate, but before that, every guest gets their own house, really. That's the cottages. And then you get a glimpse of the apartments, which are literally just next to each other, but you use this small door to separate the two places. And so the name is Temple Court Apartments. So you go through that door and you find some more cottages. Only that this time now, one cottage is, I think, houses 4 apartments. Then you come to the common swimming area. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. You should be here. You can literally spend your whole day and evening here, because the water is just warm, and the weather is quite good, actually. Really good. There is wind, so you don't get the Mombasa feel, really. So yeah, very beautiful cottages. I'll try to get you a view of the house. So I'm staying in one of these ones. Please don't mind the clothes, when you travel for some time, you have so many of these things hanging around. Yeah, basically there goes your lounge. You can really have a nice time here, and an open front yard and a fan to go with. Yeah. Then you get to have your own small sitting area and a kitchenette. Yeah, and basically this is a 2-bedroom one. Of course, the bed is absolutely comfortable. Then you have your space for clothing and all that, and yeah, you get to have your own bathroom with these 2 things. I'm not gonna talk about them, and your bath area, really beautiful, right? Yeah, so make time, save some money, and